Hey guys, if you are buying iPod Touch 7th generation, no matter what color it is, they all come with the same default apps, and these are it. So the apps that you see right now, right here, are the default apps. So that's all you get. Let me just go back. So there's only 2 screens of apps. Just in case you guys don't know what these apps are, Pages, for example, it's like Microsoft Word. Right there, iMovie, it's to edit just movies or make movies. Keynote up here, it's kind of like PowerPoint on Microsoft. And Numbers would be like Microsoft Excel. GarageBand that you guys see here, it's for creating music. Then we can go here and we're gonna see another bunch of default apps. Apple TV is a really cool app. It's a default app and it's a hub for everything that has to do with watching TV, including Netflix and so on. Anyways, that would be it for this video. Those are the default apps you guys get on iPod Touch 7th generation. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.